Okay, here's your Moroccan rug. And we're gonna reweave over here and here as well. Then if you want to reweave this area here where the missing wool is the original shape with no over dye, but we get the original wool and the binding, and I explained to you I'm going to fix originally the Moroccan binding like it was before. We're going to rebuild this. Okay, you see at the back of the rug it had pet stain, but we removed the pet stain. This is the back of the rug. You see? This is original color, but from the front it's gone. We removed those pet stains. Only, you see, what happened here also needs some work. I don't know if you want to do all that. I will send you this video.
Here the corner should be weaving. Okay. Here also this end we have to fix all this tassel. You see here? Okay, should be fix it. Should be fixed here. Okay, should be fixed here. Here. And all this, we have to make it like this, same original tassel.
Okay. Where they all...
Here also we have to fix it. You see, this here, this
The
section.
binding.
Yeah, you see? All this area should be fixed. It's great, nice piece.
Where is the hole?
Doesn't have a hole.
Here.
Yeah.
You see?
Big pipe.
Okay, this is your Moroccan rug. We just finished the reweaving here. And we rebuilt the fringe, original Moroccan fringe. You cannot see where the repair was done. This area was missing and we rewoven by hand. And also we rebuilt this Moroccan fringe for you. And inside the rug it was 2 holes. Okay, thank you.